Welcome to the Saraswati Shishukunj Vagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 4 Subject Maths Chapter number 3 A Trip to Bhopal. As you have seen in the previous video that the students was very excited for Bhimbetka, right? Then they reached to Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock. They saw over there the lovely paintings on caves, fine, which was 10,000 years old. From that, few students had counted bisons, deer and people on the cave paintings. They spent 1 hour at Bhimbetka. Let's see now our main topic. As you know that they had started the journey again towards Bhopal. Fine. They reached there to the Bhopal at 1 o'clock in the noon. Now it is time for lunch. The children are hungry by this time and they take out their lunch packets or lunch box. Biscuits, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each children is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. All children take orange and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Fine. Manjeet and Banu had finished their lunch fast so that they can ask puzzles to pass the time. Manjeet, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Banu, 120? No. 130? No. It is 125. Manjeet, right. Okay, now you ask me question. In this way, other students also join them in asking the puzzles. They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they reach to a lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. It is time to go for boating. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket and also different trip time. Okay? Children went for boating in a group and they had race with the other group. As you can see in the image that different kinds of different names are given here of the boat riding. Fine? Ora boat is there, double decker is there and others are also there. In this way, children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock in the noon. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. As here the trip of Bhopal is over and you can see that children had enjoyed a lot, right? In the same way, you had also went for a trip from the schools and you had also enjoyed. Fine? So let's see now exercise. So let's see. First word problem. Number 1. During lunchtime, each children get 1 banana, 1 orange and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits. But 38 children do not take bananas. So, how many children takes bananas? As you all know that 210 children went for a trip. So we have to minus it to 38 from 200. Fine. We will get the answer that how many students got bananas. 210. Total children. Fine. Minus 38. as you can see that 0 minus 8, it's not possible. We need to borrow it, right? So we will take 1s from the 1/10 from this 1 and we will add with this 0. So it will become 10. So we can say that 10 minus 8, 2. Okay. 1 we have already given to the 0. So here it remains 0 now. Again 0 minus 3. It's not possible. Let's do borrow work. Fine. 10 minus 3, 7. 1/10 is given from this 2. So how many left here? 1. So 1 will remain here as it is. It means 172 students get bananas. Answer: 172 children take bananas. Clear? Let's move towards second sum. Number 2 is I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? It means I have 4 friends. Each friend I gave 4 toffees. Okay, so we need to multiply this 4 with the each friend of the toffees and we will add 3 which is left with me. Fine. So let's do the calculation. 1 friend is equal to 4 toffees. 4 friends is equal to how many toffees? Okay, so you can see that is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. Answer will be here. 4 multiplied by 4, answer you will get 16. But 3 toffees were left with him. As you can see that 3 toffees are left with me, means with a person. Okay, so we will add that 3 now here plus 3. So total answer is 90. Answer: I have 19 toffees. Let's take a look of the sums. Solve the word problems using the table given here. You can see the table, different types of boards given, its price and the trip time. Ticket price is for per person. Okay, let's see now. First, Indira and Banu first went in the motor boats and then took the oars boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? Here they are talking about 2 persons. Fine. And the ticket price is given for the 1 person. So first of all we need to multiply the motorboat's price rupees 25 with 2. Okay, then we will multiply oar boats rupees 15 with 2. Okay, after that the total of which we will get of motorboats and oar boats, that we will do addition. So let's see the calculation. For motorboat, fine. So is equal to 2 multiplied by rupees 25 is equal to, as you know that we have to multiply here, right? So the answer will be rupees 50. Now let's see for the oar boats. is equal to 2 multiplied by rupees 15. Answer will be 30 rupees. Now we will do addition of both price. Is equal to, it's a very simple additions, fine. So rupees 50 plus rupees 30, rupees 80. Answer is, they paid rupees 80 for both the boats. Have a look. Second number question. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the trip? Here, if you will see that in the table, the price is given for the one person, okay? Or you can say one child. Fine. We need to find that how many children went for the trip of a double-decker. Okay, so let's see that in this sum we have to do division. So let's do the calculation. Rupees 30 is for the one person. So we can say that one child is equal to rupees 30. Fine. So how many children is equal to for rupees 450? It means rupees 450 divided by rupees 30. Fine. So let's do the sum. "45 is greater than 30. If you will see the table of 30, 32s are 60. Okay. So 60 is greater than 45. So we cannot take that. We have to take here 30 ones are 30. So 30 ones are 30. Minus sign. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring the 0 down. If you look this, if I will hide the 0 from both the side, you can easily find out that in the table of 3 when we are getting 15. We are getting 3 5s are 15. So simple now. 30 5s are 150. Okay. So 30 5s are 150. Minus 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So the answer is 15 children went for a double-decker boat ride. 15 children went for the Here is your answer. Take a look. I hope that this topic is clear for you. Our chapter is over now and you understood it. Do your worksheet properly with the correct sums. Thank you.